Hey guys, welcome back to the Route 66 Restoration Channel. Working here on the 57. Now I have some pitting holes right here, and I'm just going to try to plug them up. I'm going to use my spoon here with the copper on it. It's copper backer. Sorry for the pinging sound. It's raining today, so we're just going to try to get these holes plugged up and then grind them off. So we'll see how this works. See if it's doable even. I think I need a tad bit more heat. Just kind of afraid to blow it through. Blow the holes through. So try. Well, there's one. Let's see if we can get this copper backer under here. The right one. All right. I think that's got that one. Let's try to go back up to these other ones here. All right. Well, she blew her out a little bit here. Right here. Blew it out a little bit more, but the others are plugged. So try again. Yeah. Problem with sometimes with this is that you can chase the holes. All right. Well, good. Yeah. Alright, I think you can, you can blow them out, and that's part of the problem. As this is going to be under the fender, I'm not super concerned, but I did want to stem the tide of the corrosion. So we'll see if we can get it to come in a little bit here. So I got some more up in this area. Not sure if the camera's catching that, but there's some more here. Now, problem with this is I am right-handed. And so I need to there we go. That's good. Whoop. So, tried to do that one without the backer. And see how that ended up. Years ago, I had a GTO, 69 GTO, and it's a Michigan car, so the trunk kind of looked like Swiss cheese. And so what I ended up having to do with that, the metal was solid, but it just had all these little rust pits in it. So this is how I patched the whole trunk in that thing. I didn't have to cut out a panel or anything, but I had to go through and patch about 1,000,000 holes in that thing. So anyhow, this is what I'm doing here. That seems to have worked. I got some other holes, and so guys, I hope you enjoy this. But you can use these spoons. You know, you buy these, it's 20 bucks. It's not too expensive, and it actually comes with 3. I made another one on another handle, but I don't know where it is at the moment. So anyhow, but you can see that the doesn't stick, and gives you a good way to plug these holes up. So anyways, keep the rubber side down. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you want more content.